Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In the previous video, we looked into the holozoic nutrition and we discussed these steps. Now we're looking into each step into deep. Like what is ingestion? Ingestion. Ingestion is this is ingestion. The one which you're talking about. Ingestion. Ingestion means intake of food. Like we have got a. This would be kind of a more verbal lecture than the theoretical. So do listen what I'm saying and do write into your notes. Like ingestion is derived from ingest. That means to take, intake or take. Like what we are taking the food first of all. Now ingestion has got this is the very first step of digestion. Like first of all we need to take in food to you know survive and make energy from it. First of all we cannot absorb it, we need to ingest it, we need to take it from the mouth, and from mouth we have got a proper way that it follows. Like from mouth in it first of all goes in the nasal cavity, then the pharynx, larynx, passing through the esophagus, the gastrointestinal tract, and so long to the anus. So this is the body, how ingestion is important. Like there are also multicellular organisms which have a different way of ingestion, but they do have ingestion. In the case of some organisms they have absorption, but that is kind of absorption is kind of ingestion as well, if we say. So first of all, organism needs to take the food. This is the very first step. Like if they don't do this, the every step over here, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, digestion are linked. If digestion will be taking place if digestion takes place, absorption will be taking place if digestion takes place, assimilation taking place if absorption takes place. This is how it works. All of them are linked. First of all, you need to take food, and we have got proper pathway of it. And now uh, we have got the digestion, the second step. uh, second step Second step is about digestion. Now digestion is very important part, the basic part, the most vital part. So this is the breakdown, right? This is the breakdown of the food. Like the food we have taken, we have found food, we are having food in our environment that is in form of complex molecules, the polysaccharides, but they are indivisible in the cell membranes, and we need to digest them to make them cell diffusible. And if they get diffused into cell, the energy would be produced, otherwise no energy would be produced. So the breakdown is necessary. Like if we take food, our digestion or the breakdown starts into the mouth. Like we have got chemicals, human have got chemical as well, the mechanical digestion. Like the chemical, in which chemicals are involved, enzymes and all that. And mechanical, we have got churning, peristalsis, the muscles movement, that helps the digestion. So digestion starts from our mouth. We have got teeth that are breaking down food, and we have got saliva which has got enzymes, and they all do digest food. And we have got the esophagus, and the food passes into it. Peristalsis will take place, and that is the muscle contraction and relaxation, and that helps in breakdown of food. And moving forward, the baked food passes into the stomach and all that, and we have got several differences, keeps breaking down until it gets uh, you know diffusible. It gets very breakable. Now the third point, we have got absorption. Now as we know that we are done with the digestion, uh, you know I'm not talking with all these steps too deep, because these also vary from animal to an animal and in humans as well. So we're looking into the human digestive system completely deep. We're looking into digestive system of every organism important organism. Like amoeba, we're looking into paramecium, we're looking into digestion of paramecium, human being. So don't take attention that I'm doing complete digestion topic. I'm just doing you an overview that what digestion involves. These are the basic steps. Absorption is the diffuse food which is formed due to the digestion. Now this is absorbed because this is now cell diffusible, and this is absorbed the absorbed by cell membrane. Like you know, this is this is how it works. Like the cells take it, and previously it was in form of complex. Now there's simple molecule. Previously it was macromolecule. Now a macromolecule, and it gets absorbed by the cell membrane and the blood carries it. And the number 4 is assimilation assimilation What is assimilation? Assimilation is now we have absorbed the food, right? That is inside the cell. This is in absorption. The cells come in the absorption. Till that we have not got any sort of cells. In absorption we have seen that the cell is diffused. Sorry, the food is diffused into the cell. In assimilation, we have the utilization. Like uh, proteins will be synthesized. The glycogen, the animal starch, will be made. Utilization takes place, like the diffusible fluid now it passes for mitochondria, ribosome, and all that. Now this helps for working, the energy synthesized and stored as well. And now we have got, there are some particles that don't get digested and they pass for digestion. So they have also got a specific pathway. They pass for the large intestine, and then to the all that anus and all. So they get ejected from the body in form of urine and feces. Urine comes under excretion and feces under defecation. We have got different names of digestion, like digestion, defecation, elimination, and excretion. So this is how the basic pathway of how we are taking food and all that, how energy is made. I do hope that you got the overview. In the upcoming videos, we're looking into deep digestion of the most important animals, including humans, amoeba, paramecium, and all that. So don't panic. Meet you guys in the next video. Till that, goodbye.